Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we are going to unbox and review a smartwatch. It comes from boAt. Model is Xtend. So as here you can see, this is how the box pack looks like. It comes in different color combination. Right now on your screen you will be able to see what all different colors it comes in, and here I have the golden and the black color combination smartwatch. Dialer of this smartwatch is in square. On the box it was mentioned that it comes with 4.3 cm or 1.69 inch full touch display. It comes with stress monitoring, customizable watch faces. So these are the quick specification, and one more advantage is here, it comes with Alexa built-in. If I turn to the back of this box, here also some more quick specifications were mentioned. It comes with real-time notification with vibration alert. It comes with 5 AMT dust, sweat and splash resistance, cycle tracking, 14 sports modes, compatible with Android 6.0 and above. It is also compatible with iOS 9.0 and above. It has a ambient light display and guided meditation, breathing, heart rate, blood oxygen and sleep monitoring also. So this is how the box pack looks like. On this side they also mentioned how can you interact with Alexa. Let me open this box pack and let's check what we get inside. When I open it, it shows me the QR code. I need to scan this QR code to download the application. We'll do that. Let me check what else we get. This is the watch itself. As here you can see, display is quite large. A golden type finish is given to it, but the body is made up of totally plastic, and the band quality also good. A rubberized finish was given. Let me check what else we get and we'll get back to the design of the watch later. So the charging cable of this type, which is going to be magnetic. On the back here you get the 2 port and you need to connect by this way so that this watch will get charged. And on the back also you get the heart rate sensor. And here we have some papers which tells more about this watch. This is how to use this Alexa built-in. So all these things we get inside the box. If I get back to the watch, this button also clickable and you can also rotate this one. We'll see how it functions. Here the boAt logo, only here they have mentioned the boAt logo. Tell about this lock, which is a metal type. It is going to be more secure on your wrist. Let me show you how it looks like. On the wrist, this is how it is going to look like. As the display is quite large, so this is going to be good application. And connect this watch. To connect it to your phone, simply take your phone and scan this QR code. When I scan this QR code, it shows a web address. To open that one on browser, it takes me directly to the Play Store and shows me the application. Let me download and install it. So the application is installed now. Let me open it. And a quick introduction about this application was given here. It is asking about login and register. Let me skip that one for now. And it needs the location access also. Let me quickly set this application and connect it to this phone. And here it shows 2 options. What you have, watch or bracelet. I have the watch. It allows to turn on the Bluetooth and I turn that. Watch got connected. The setup also going to be quite easy. It got a notification here to confirm this pairing. So the pairing completed. Now it is asking me to set up this Alexa. I'll do that later. So this is how the application looks, and a quite good interface was given to it. Here you get the SpO2 monitoring, weight, stress, sleep and training monitoring information in one home screen. Get back to watch itself. This is how the wallpaper of the watch looks like. Here you get the option to do quick setting like increase the brightness and all. Turn to this side, it shows how step count, and here the heart rate count, and here it blinks on back side, and here is the measuring for SpO2 and outdoor and running and all, and here the Alexa. So you need to log into your Amazon account to use this Alexa. Here if you got any notification, here you can see those. Watch is quite worth for what price it comes. In the description section you can get the link to buy this watch. Hope this video will be helpful to you in buying this watch. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.